Hello friends, my name is Parth Mandal. In this video, I am going to discuss about linear equation in two variables. The topic that I am going to discuss are linear equation in one variable, linear equation in two variable, solution of linear equation, graph of linear equation in two variable, equation of line parallel to x-axis and y-axis. Here in this sentence we have three parts: linear, equation and variables. Linear means straight line. In this video, we are going to study about straight line. Equation, a statement of equality of two algebraic expressions involving one or more unknown quantities is known as equation. For example, 3x minus 5 is equal to 25. 3x minus 5 is equal to 25. So here, for what value of x we put so that we get 3x minus 5 is equal to 25. Here on the left side of this equal to, this is known as left hand side, and on the right side of this equal to, this is known as right hand side. The right hand side is also known as the equality and the left hand side is known as the algebraic expression. And here x is the variable which is also known as unknown quantities. So what is variable? In an equation, the unknown quantities are known as variables. We don't know what will be the value of x. So here, if we equate this, 3x minus 5 is equal to 25. So 3x is equal to 25 plus 5. So 3x is equal to 30. So x is equal to 30 by 3. That implies x is equal to 10. So now look, if we put x is equal to 10, we get 25. So here we see that x is equal to 10, it satisfies the linear equation, right? So now let us talk about linear equation. So an equation whose maximum power of variable is 1 is known as linear equation. For example, say that x minus 2 is equal to 0. This is a linear equation. Look, its degree is 1. Now if I take another example of linear equation, x plus 2 is equal to 4. So here the degree is 1. So these are two are example of linear equation. Now linear equation has two parts, that is one variable, linear equation in one variable. So one variable, if I talk about the general equation, let me talk about the general equation. Ax plus b equal to 0, where a comma b are real numbers and a is not equal to 0. If a becomes 0, then the equation becomes undefined. Okay, so here this ax plus b is equal to 0. This is the linear equation in one variable general equation. Okay, so if I take an example, x minus 2 is equal to 0. Here you can see that we have only one variable. So this is linear equation in one variable. Okay, next if I talk about linear equation in two variables, the general equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Here a comma b comma c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0 and b is not equal to 0. So let me give you an example. X plus 2y is equal to 4. We have two unknown quantities, that means two variables. So this is a linear equation in two variables. Now let us talk about solution of linear equation. How to find out the solution of linear equation? We have x minus 2 is equal to 0. So how to find? X is equal to 0 plus 2, which is equal to 2. So 2 is the solution of this equation, linear equation in one variable. And here And here we may get, for different value of x we will get different value of y. So we can say that the linear equation in one variable has unique solution, that is one and only one, and in this x plus 2y is equal to 4 we can get infinitely many solution, infinitely many solutions. Now let us plot this graph of linear equation in two variables. Okay, before discussing this two variable, let me tell you that x is equal to 2, this is also a linear equation, so we plot it in a number line which we have already studied in class 2, 3, 4. Okay, so here x is equal to 2 is where? Here. So for the linear equation in two variable, we plot it in this way. For example, first of all we are going to draw a box and then we are going to write x, y. Now if x is equal to 0, then y we get 2, and if y is equal to 0, then x we get 4, and if y is equal to 1, then x is equal to 2, right? So that means, now let us plot it. x0, y2, x0, y2. Next x4, y0 here, and next 1, 2, x is 2 and y is 1. So it will be like this. So look, we got a straight line here, These are the coordinates, Let me write down the coordinates. 0, 4, 2, 1 and 0, 2. So in this line, whatever points are included, they are the solution of this linear equation. Remember, they are the solution of this linear equation. So this is how we plot it. So outside the line there are many points. These points are not the solution of this equation, but the points which are included in this straight line are the solution of this linear equation. Now equation of line parallel to x-axis and y-axis. So for example, x is equal to, if I take x is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2 means we are getting the coordinate point will be what? It will be 2, 0, which will be here. So it is parallel to y-axis. And if I take another y is equal to 2. Y is equal to 2, that means here this y is equal to 2 equation, it is parallel to x-axis. So this is how we learn linear equation in two variable. Thank you.